Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's unique episode, we are going to be unboxing the top 5 budget diecast toys under Rs 500. I was curious to see what I could find online besides diecast motorcycles, and this is what I found. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. Some of these diecast toys come in regular window type packaging with all the product branding and information, and most of them just got delivered in plastic wraps or bags. And as you can see, I got all these diecast models online just to see what were the other affordable diecast toys that I could add to my collection. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging of these toys before we set these beauties free. With that out of the way, let's crack these things open, and please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast toys away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. And while I get these diecast toys unpacked, I just wanted to inform you that the color of these diecast toys were randomly sent and there are no options to choose a particular color of your choice. So fingers crossed and hope we get a good range of colors. And please do stay tuned till the end and don't miss this one-of-a-kind diecast collection. Well, at first glance, these diecast toys look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing to them, and looks like these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic, which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at about 5.5 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weigh in at about 160 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint tabs and according to the color scheme and branding details, and a simplistic yet spot-on details, and these models also have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional too. So as you can see, and just so you know, these are 5 different diecast toys that I bought online under 500 rupees per model. So with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium diecast toys. To begin with, this is a turbo scooter which has 3 wheels and is a pullback diecast collectible. This model comes in 4 color variations, but I received the red variation as you can see. I'm happy with the sturdiness and the build quality on this one, and I would say that this is worth the buy. And I will recommend this to anyone based on the quality, as you will get the worth for your money. And this is a British themed diecast scooter which comes with a matching sidecar, and this edition can be removed if not required, but I choose to keep it as it is. This diecast model is quite sturdy and is built of metal, and the highlights of this model is that it comes with sounds and lights, which I'll show you in a while. But my one gripe about this model is that the handlebar is made of some soft ABS plastic, but keeping the price range in mind, I would say that this is a good buy as well. Here we have an ATV which is available in two variations, orange or red. And as you can see, I've got the red variation. I'm happy with the build on this one and the functionality is spot on with this model. And now we have a diecast snowmobile, and I'm not too thrilled with the details on this one, but considering the price range I could give this one a pass, and this is also a pullback diecast model, so keeping these things in mind I would say that this is a good buy as well. Finally we have a diecast jet ski. This diecast toy was a bit pricey at the time I bought it, but as it was on sale I picked it up to add a variety to my diecast collection. Everything looks good with this model except the fact that I don't think that the handlebar is in size proportionate to the body, but it might be just me, so let me know in the comments below as to what you think about this top 5 budget diecast lineup. And also please do let me know if you would like me to do an episode 2 on this series. So now let's see if this 1/14 scale diecast toys match up with my 1/18 scale licensed motorcycle collection. So let's go ahead and make a comparison. This is a licensed 1/18 scale Ducati 1199 Panigale manufactured by Maisto, and this premium model measures in at 5 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 120 grams. So I guess by these measurements the new arrival should match up with my current 1/18 scale motorcycle collection with minor differences. So let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison. Well, as you can see, these models almost match up and pass off as a 1/18 scale with minor visual differences, but that's okay as we get quite premium model diecast toys for a good price, which is a bang for the buck. And this makes me happy and brings a smile to my face that I made a choice to buy these diecast toys, and moreover that I'll be able to add this entire collection to my 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with these models you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast collector or hobbyist. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast models in the description below. And with that out of the way, now let's take a look at these diecast beauties individually and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. Let's begin with the sturdy and well-built turbo scooter. And this all-terrain vehicle stands by its name with its sturdy and well-structured build. And now let's take a look at this 1/14 scale diecast snowmobile. And this is a diecast water jet ski manufactured by Willy. And finally, let's take a look at the 1/14 scale UK themed diecast scooter with its sidecar. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these 5 diecast toys, be it for the looks or the functionality. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at these diecast beauties, here are a few fun facts. The term diecast toy here refers to a toy or collectible model produced by using the diecasting method of putting molten lead or zinc alloy in a mold to produce a particular shape. Such toys are made of metal with plastic, rubber, glass or other machined metal parts. Wholly plastic toys are made by a similar process of injection molding. But the two methods are distinct because of the properties of the materials. The metal used in diecasting is either a lead alloy or most commonly known as zamac, an alloy of zinc with small quantities of aluminum and copper. Lead or iron are impurities that must be carefully avoided in zamac. The most common diecast vehicles are scale models of automobiles, cars, motorcycles, aircrafts, military vehicles, construction equipments and trains. And for further information on diecast toys, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these premium diecast toys that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these budget diecast models are your favorite. And also do let me know if you want me to do an episode 2 on this budget top 5 diecast toys. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox review and comparison episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you on the next one.